In this video, we'll see how MacroView Clause Bank enables smarter ways to manage your Microsoft Office templates. You've got a large selection of Microsoft Office templates, many of which contain a common content element. That presents a problem when that common content element needs to be modified. The template administrator needs to find and replace that element in every one of those templates. A smarter approach is to use clause links to enable a single copy of common content elements. In each of those templates, a specialized hyperlink called a clause link points to a single copy of that content item stored in a central SharePoint document library or folder. This makes it much simpler when that common content item needs to be updated. The template administrator simply edits the single copy. When it's time to generate a new document, MacroView Clause Bank replaces that clause link with an up-to-date copy of the relevant content. Let's see how easy it is to insert clause links into a document that we're looking to make into a template. In the Clause Bank group on the Insert tab, let's choose Clause Link and go to the Disclaimer Clauses area and choose Proposal Acceptance. We can also include this privacy policy. Let's click OK and our two clause links are inserted. Let's also use a clause link to insert a logo for our company. That way, if the logo changes, we'll always get the up-to-date version of the logo in our generated document. Here's our document, which we can now save as a template. When we're about to run the template, we can use the Expand feature on the Home tab in order to expand all the clause links in our document. And here are our up-to-date disclaimers and logo. MacroView Clause Bank enables the smarter management of Microsoft Office templates by reducing the effort required for maintaining common content items. Clause Bank can also dramatically reduce the number of Office templates required. The organization may have 50 templates, but maybe there are only 5 underlying templates and 45 variations which can more efficiently be handled using Clause Bank. Clause Bank can also streamline template automation solutions. Let's take a look. Our diagram shows a document template that has automation logic embedded in it, which is generating a document. That logic prompts the user and, based on responses from the user, includes certain text within the generated document. Introducing MacroView can significantly reduce the volume and complexity of the template automation logic. The template automation logic may still prompt the user for some details for inclusion in the document, but at appropriate points in the automation, Clause Bank can be used to allow the user to choose optional clauses for insertion in the document. The result is less template automation logic and often more flexibility for the business user.